Good one, Pinkie Pie. You're always pulling a fast one on me.
Oh no, you're not hurt, are you?
Nah, don't be silly. Dragons are fireproof.
Oh, okay, good.
We're much the same thing. We're true scrolls.
I can think of one thing. I didn't take you for a prankster, Pinkie Pie. Are you kidding? I love to pull pranks. It's all in good fun, and Pinkie Pie loves to have fun. You know, Pinkie Pie, you're not as annoying as I thought. You want to hang out? That'd be... I'd really... When would you... A simple nod will do. Mm-hmm.